Hello, welcome to ellieV Toys. We're here at Mia's treehouse because Mia doesn't have a house yet. Not until, well, very soon actually, but the moment this is a good place for Mia to be hanging out. Hi Mia, it's nice to see you. Now, when Mia goes in here, something amazing is going to happen. Let's just shut the door and we're going to head back into time. Back to when Mia was just little and she was obsessed with her little hoodie with the cat ears on it. That's what we're calling it, the little cat ear hoodie. Hi little Mia. Oh, she's going down. Where is she heading off to? Oh, little Mia. Little Mia, you don't have a house or a bedroom. Right, we need to rectify this. I can't fix the house situation yet, but we can build you a bedroom that is perfectly suited for all the things that you love and are interested in at the moment. But first up, we need walls. Otherwise, you will fall out of your bedroom and then, oh, that would be very sad. So I don't even want to think about that. So some walls, and we're going to make them, we're going to have some yellow wallpaper, little yellow stripes of paint maybe not wallpaper, and some nice big windows here. That's where the bed's going to be. We're going to put the bed in front of these windows so she's got lots of light. And this bed, does this bed look familiar to you? I have actually just broken this off the top of Mia's bedroom. So we're going to use this mostly. This is going to be the base because it's already got all of those little edges around it, which is perfect for a toddler, right? So we're going to put in a brand new bedspread because she's still little. That's perfect, lovely colors for Mia. And we're going to put this on the end, and then we're just going to smooth over those little bumpy bits, and that's where she can kind of climb out because there's no sides there. I'm pretty sure she'll climb straight over the sides. Let's try it out for comfort. It looks really safe. She can be tucked in here with her best friend there, Poopsie Panda. And this bed is actually going to stay down on the ground because you do not need to encourage Mia to climb. So we want her to be nice and low down, but we're going to turn it, we're going to make a jungle themed bed overhanging thing. An overhang, a jungle themed overhang for the bed. So we're going to need some branches if we can just get Mia to sit safely on the bed. She just likes to tumble around all the time. And this little branchy thing here, we're going to use this fake plant as the little nightlight. Isn't that so jungly? It's going to be like sleeping in a treehouse except on the ground. So the ground floor of the treehouse where she's safe and can't tumble out. So this will be the other side, and that's going to look really perfect, I think. Let's install these over here in front of the window. They're going to frame the window beautifully. And then, that looks lovely. And then we are going to shove this nice and firmly down onto the ground so it will not go anywhere. Okay, I need to squish that down some more. I tossed around with the idea of putting this on some jumper studs. That's still not down at the back. We'll push it down a bit more. But, sorry, Poopsie Panda, we'll fix you up in a minute. But I just really liked having it really flat to the ground. It looks really good with all the little tree branches in the background. That's still not squished down properly. We'll just move everybody and squish it hard and break the branches off in the meantime. Easily put back in again. Now, we're going to make a canopy over the top so that she kind of feels like, yeah, it feels like she's sleeping in a tree. So, kind of. There's going to be no leaves up here. It's just actually going to be a canopy. But we're going to make it stripy. So we're going to start with green, and we are going to alternate our green and blue, Mia blue. Oh, hold on, we need to put those on there. On like that. We're going to alternate the green and the Mia blue color because there are several different shades of blue, and this is the one that's Mia's shade of blue, and we're going to have that as a little overhang. That's going to look so pretty. It's going to look so pretty. And a clip out here for, well, I'll show you in a minute. And we'll put some flowers up here or greenery, it's not really quite flowers, up here for a bit of decoration. And we can install the canopy over her bed, and it looks so snug and cozy. It looks just perfect. And in that little hook there, we're going to put a vine, a little rope vine coming from the top down to the bottom. So it really does look as though she is jungly and tree, and that's the theme. That's what we're looking for. And up here, we'll put a little butterfly flying up above the canopy as a wall ornament. And you can guarantee that she's going to climb up there on top of the balcony. So let's make it a bit safer, and let's add a little bit of a tree kind of climbing laddery thing up the side, some little steps just so she's not doing this too dangerously, even though she shouldn't be up there. You know she's going to go up there. And you might also recognize the base of this because this also came out of Mia's bedroom build as well. It's now got a new function for climbing up onto the canopy, not up onto a bunk bed. Oh, and of course she is straight in there trying it out so she can hang out up here with the butterfly. We might have to find her a book to read while she's up high. She must be like a cat. She likes being up high. Okay, the bed's done. Let's extend our walls a bit with a bit more of yellow. And we're going to... hold on. There we go. We're also going to need to extend the floor as well. We're going to need to put a lot more things in this room, as well as the bed, and her name on the wall in little puffy stickers. I think that worked out so beautifully, and the little branch goes with the theme, and she looks like she loves it. Just loves it. I love it too. I think it looks just adorable. So let's continue our wall along a bit. And I'm going to have to think about putting another window in here, otherwise it's going to end up quite a dark room because the only windows are under her bed. So we'll put a window here on the end. And going around the corner, I still haven't quite decided how I'm going to do what I plan to do with the corner of the room. So we're just going to... we're just going to leave this off for now, and we'll come back and we'll fix it up later. All right, so what else does Mia need in her room? Well, she, of course, needs a toy box, and Mia is horse crazy. So, of course, first toy for her is a horse costume. Here is the front half of the horse costume, and here is the tail, which I have made for her to go with the front part of her horse costume. And Mia doesn't just like horses. She doesn't just love horses. She basically wants to be a horse. So when she is in her horse costume, she is not Mia anymore. She is a horse. And she runs around the house, she gallops around the house, neighing, and she'll only respond if her mum calls her horsey. So here she is in her horse costume. She looks just adorable. She probably wouldn't want to be called adorable, but doesn't she just look adorable? She's galloping around neighing right now. Okay, oh, she is so cute. She's the cutest little horsey. And we need to take this horsey costume off her again. Otherwise, she'll just be a horse for the rest of this build, and we don't want that to happen. So let's get this off. Her tail is a little bit tight. There we go. All right. Got that off. Thank heavens. And so she's now back to Mia, reluctantly, because she wants to be a horsey all the time. But we'll put her horse costume in here, and she can get it out whenever she wants to be horsey. So into her toy box. Now, she also has a second favorite costume, her panda costume, because her favorite toy is Poopsie Panda, and she likes to hang out with Poopsie Panda and be probably not Mummy Panda, maybe she just likes being big friend Panda with her Poopsie Panda, and they just hang out and do all sorts of fun stuff together. They look so cute. They really look so cute. So she's got a massive big panda head costume. Oh, Mia, you have got such a fun toy box there. Let's install it. Okay, if we're going to put it in, we're going to want to be able to pull it out easily as well. So I'm definitely going to put her toy box onto a couple of little jumper studs. So once again, Mia blue colors down on the base. And there are her costumes. Her costume box. So cute. That's simply adorable. Okay. Now, not just into costumes, she needs a nice big storage system, lots and lots of drawers, because Mia collects stuff. When she goes for a walk in the woods or along the beach, she collects things because she just loves things. So here's a stick she picked up. It's an interesting looking stick, and it's also very good for poking annoying brothers. So she keeps this one handy in the bottom drawer. Here's a crab claw that she found when she last went to the beach. So we'll put them down here in the bottom drawer. Still lots more things to store away. What else has she got? She's got her bug collection. So she collects dead bugs and puts them away in this drawer. Nice and safe. And in the next drawer, she's got her feather collection because feathers are just so interesting. Here's some nice ones that she picked up just the other day when she went bushwalking with her mum. And in the top drawer, she's got some fossilized wood and a little bit of sap from off a tree. It's a nice, pretty color, and a starfish. So there we go. This is the beginnings of her nature collection. She's definitely going to be a botanist or a naturalist or something like that, because here's a frog she brought home too. So the frog needs somewhere, not a drawer, to live. So we'll make a little tiny habitat for the frog. We'll put it up here on top of her set of drawers, and we'll just put it behind some glass. So it's got its own little terrarium. And of course, she collects bugs too. So here's the latest bug she collected. Put a lid on that so it doesn't get out and just fly around the room all the time. So we'll put that over here next to the toy box, and that will keep all her treasures nice and safe. Oh, I almost forgot. Over here in front of this natural light, she has got a very special plant. She has got a Venus flytrap. Not really the best plant to give to a toddler, but she loves it. She just adores it, and it keeps her room clear of flies. So we are going to tuck that over in the corner, and I'm actually going to put a terrarium lid on it, so we'll have to open that up when she wants to feed it flies. Let's put a little jumper stud over here as well, so it's nice and snug and safe in the corner. She has got such a good collection. Okay, we're not finished yet. Mice. She has mice. She has two little mice. Little miceys. And actually, I have no idea what their names are. Their names are Bim and Bam. So very appropriate names for her mice when they rustle in the nighttime. So we need to make them a small mouse enclosure. And this is actually just going to be, actually, how small can I make it? I can actually probably make it that small, but that does not look comfortable for a mouse. No, that mouse does not look comfortable. Bim does not look comfortable at all. So we're going to make a little kind of stand for them to be inside there safely. So down the bottom, this is a nice little place down amongst all of the bedding down on the bottom of the cage for Bim to hang out. And Bam likes it up high. So we're going to give Bam a bit of a run up here, a bit of a ramp. And put him up here. This should fit. This should actually fit quite nicely. We'll check it out in a minute. And there we go. There you go, Bam. Bam's heading down. And let's see. Oh, we need a little bit of a treat too. Let's put a treat up the top here. A little mousy treat. And okay, here we go. Moment of truth. Can I fit them in here? I should be able to. I might just have to tip it a bit. There we go. Perfect. So their stand's kind of free floating in there, but it doesn't matter because they are contained. Bim and Bam are now safely put away in their mouse enclosure, and we'll put some lights along the top. This will help keep the enclosure closed. There we go. Lots and lots of little studs up here. It'll make it nice and bright. It's lovely. And because I put it on a hinge, we can actually hinge it off the edge of the bedroom. I'm feeling very clever with this idea. And when we put this glass window in here, even when we've got it tucked out of the way, we can still go and see Bim and Bam. And when we want to play with them, we can just pull it around to the side. Oh, I love it. And it's just out of the way and we can see them all the time. It's really cool. It's very cool. Okay, not finished yet though. We need a mat, and it's going to be orange because we don't have enough orange in this room. We need some more little quarter pie pieces just to round over the edges of the mat. And the reason we need a mat is because Mia needs somewhere to sit. But before she sits down, we're going to make a little box to put some more stuff in. And this box and its platform have also been taken directly from the Lego Friends Mia's bedroom build from 2017. Look, there it is with some binoculars in it. It now doesn't have any binoculars in it because we're going to use it to store something else. Mia loves to play doctor with her toys, and poor Poopsie Panda gets lots of bumps and scrapes. So she's got her toy medical bag, her vet bag, and she's got some bandages for Poopsie Panda. Oh, Poopsie Panda, these are not designed to actually go on you. So I am going to use some of my trusty sticky tack to stick it onto you. There we go. And same thing maybe for your head bandage, because that's not designed for a panda toy's head either. So we're going to stick it on. Ta-da! Removable sticky though, so it's perfect. There we go. Oh, hold on, I can see that sticky tack. Let's turn him around. Poopsie Panda is being doctored and fixed up by Dr. Mia, or Vet Mia. She decides which one she wants to be on different days, and when she's not using the bandages, they can all go nice and tidily away in this box. Oh, Poopsie Panda looks all better. I don't know that Mia would actually keep her bedroom this tidy, so I think her mum probably comes in here and tidies it up each afternoon. Speaking of tidying up, we are going to smooth over the top so that the bedroom looks absolutely lovely and finished. And when that's all done, little Mia can settle into her new toddler bedroom. I think it's just perfect for her toddler self. It's so cute and it's just right for a toddler. Little Mia, what do you think? Okay, Mia, so Mia is today playing vet with her Poopsie Panda, and Poopsie looks absolutely thrilled by being put in bandages yet again. And now she's playing with Bam. I wonder where Bim is. Is Bim just running around the bedroom there somewhere? I don't know. And when bedtime comes and all the lights are out, she's got her little night light on, she's tucked in with Poopsie Panda, and she can sleep so peacefully. There's Bim. Right. So Bim was running around the bedroom. And we did promise to give Mia a book, so The Magic Treehouse is going to be a perfect book for Mia to read up here on top of her treehouse bed. And look, Poopsie Panda's reading over her shoulder. He's so cute. And they're both so adorable. All right, we have done 3 of the Lego Friends toddlers' rooms. Who is going to be next? Is it going to be Olivia or Andrea? We are getting so close to having them all having their own cute little rooms, and I just can't wait. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you check out some of my other videos, make sure you see the other toddler rooms if you haven't already, and I will see you with a new build very, very soon. Bye!